welcome to JUnit series. In this part, we will learn about some basics of unit testing, like how to create a test class, how to create a test method, which library we need for JUnit 4, and annotation used for testing. So let's start. So friends, I have created a basic JUnit 4 project here. It is a Maven project and I have added a pom.xml file in this. So let's first create a test class. So for creating a test class, we need to go to the SRC folder, then test folder. Here you can see there's a Java folder. Let's create a package in this. So I am giving my package name as com.example.junit4 dot basic example. In this, let's create a test class. So I'm giving my class name as basic example test. So this is my class basic example test. Let's create a method in this void test example one. So this is my method. Let's give a identifier to it. So this is my method. Let's add some output message in this. I am putting running test example one method. To make my test cases in JUnit, I need one annotations. That annotations is known as @test annotation. So for now, I can see that I am getting one error that it cannot resolve this test annotation. So for this, I need to add one dependency in my pom.xml for JUnit XML. I'm going to browser and opening a tab here. Let's search for JUnit 4 dependency. This you can see that we have a link for Maven repository. Let's copy this dependency from here and let's refresh our dependencies. Our dependencies has been added and let's now try to add this test annotation. You can see there is our test annotation. Also, after adding this test annotation, we got these options also for running our test. Let's click on this. Here we can see that our message running test example one method is printing and our test method has been run. And we have noticed that this test annotation is must for running our JUnit test cases. The basic signature for our method is public void and method name. Public identifier is must. If I remove this public identifier, we can see that what will happen. Here I am getting some exception. Java.lang.exception method test example one should be public. So this is a must in JUnit to make our method public, and the return type should be void in every method. If I run it again, this will run smoothly. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I have added the links in the description below. If you like this topic, please subscribe and share with your friends. For any question, you can post it in the comment section below. Thank you.